Cure 20-year-old cold and cough instantly, and that too with just one onion. Put the onion into boiling hot water and let it boil well, so all the nutrients mix into the water. Use red onions, they work best. Once boiled, strain the hot water into a cup. Now add 1 spoon of olive oil, which reduces throat inflammation and strengthens the immune system. Then add 1 spoon of pure honey, which soothes the throat and reduces coughing. The natural sulfur in onion opens up the airways, helping to clear old mucus and bring relief. Drink this once a day, and within a few days, you'll feel the difference.